Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to play Minecraft with friends with a Java edition. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, or as you may have noticed, under Java installations, I have Fabric Essentials, this one. So you can go ahead and use this mod if you want to play with your friends outside your Wi-Fi, okay? For example, you don't live in the same household or you use the same Wi-Fi, well, you can go ahead and use this mod. So I'm just going to go ahead and teach you how to do it real quick. So grab your browser and then find Essential Mod Minecraft. Hit on enter. Now click on the first search result, which is from essential.gg. Click on it. Now just download the mod right here. Save it on your desktop or wherever you want. And once that's downloaded, go ahead and double click on it. Okay, double click, wait for it to load. And by the way, you can go ahead and close the browser now. So once it loads, just click on Get Started. Right here, select your launcher, and then just click on New Installation and follow simple prompts. I'm not going to do it because I already have it, okay? So once that's installed, when you go ahead and open up your launcher, you'll see under Installations, Fabric Essentials. So what you can do is just click on Play right here. Play, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here, or as you may have noticed, you can go ahead and host right here. And then go to social, where you can go ahead and add in some friends. Just add in their username, and once they're added, okay, you can now go ahead and check them right here. Now what you can do is just go ahead over to your world, okay? For example, this world right here. I know what I'm doing. Now go ahead and press escape. Now in here, just go ahead and go to the top right. We have the email icon. So just click on it, select the game mode, the difficulty. The cheats would be enabled, RP should be enabled as disabled, okay? Hit on next. Now invite your friend right here and then hit on done and just wait for them to join you, okay? Now another option if you don't want to do those hassles, okay? Well, you can just go ahead and open up your browser, then find public servers for Minecraft. Okay, let's go ahead and open this article right here, or website. As you can see, we have a ton of servers that we can join. So let's go ahead and download OP blocks right here. Just copy it. Okay, copy the URL. Now go ahead over to multiplayer, and then just go ahead and add a server. Give it a name, OP block. Name it wherever you want. Paste the server address. Hit on done, and just wait for it. Now you're gonna want to hit on play. And your friend should go ahead and join this server as well. Okay. Now the last option is, of course, well, you'll have to pay for it. Okay. You can go ahead and find Minecraft Realms, by the way. So go ahead and open up your launcher, and then here we have, all right, here we have Realms. You can just go ahead and click on Manage Realms right here. Wait for it to load. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Continue with the subscription, and once done, you can go ahead and play with your friends. Also, make sure that your friends subscribe to Realms as well. So that is how you play with friends in Minecraft Java Edition. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.